so like low tech and easy, but something that you absolutely could do with your kids is they watch the film, and then we've provided the quotes from every survivor who's quoted in the film. We have their quotes written out. So one really lovely thing to do is to watch the film and then send your kids home for homework and have them choose one quote from that list and respond, a written response, or they can record a response. Or maybe if you've got a second class period, you want them to get into little groups and assign them. Okay, you've got pairs or threes. We're going to assign each of you one of these quotes, and we want you to do some interpretive work. Think about, what does this quote mean to you? And then report out to the group. And even more than the guiding questions, that's a way, again, to kind of reconnect with the survivors, reconnect with what they said. And those quotes are so powerful. They're all a little bit different, but, you know, they really get to, you know, they illustrate some of the deepest and most important themes of the film.